This is welcome to another video by Abron. This is soil testing kit. We have got different kinds of kits. This is a chemical kit which is having nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. You can check up. These are nitrogen reagent, smaller one, and potassium and pH reagent is also there. You can check the pH filter paper is there. This manual tells you, the whole manual is there to give you all the details, how to test the nitrogen, how to test the potassium, low, medium nitrogen, potassium and nitrogen reagent. Decoloring charts are available and there are reagents, and this you can check up. The test tube and brush is also, filter is also there. Another kit is this one, this smaller kit. This one is a small kit with the 4 test tubes with the potassium, phosphorus, potassium and pH and nitrogen. You can test in these test tubes. Dropper is there for taking the sample. You can dissolve the soil and put it in water, and then you can check. This is phosphorus test and this is NPK analyzer with the capsules. It has capsules. There are four kinds of capsules for different testings. You can dissolve one capsule and check how much it is there. So this one tells you the pH. If you come, I show you closely the pH value, and this pH, it tells you how much is the acidic value of the soil, and this tells you the value of the soil with NPK. The percentage of different variations tells you what is the percentage of different chemicals. You can check up, and this is one kit, smaller one. Another is a chemical kit. Third one is a digital kit. We have got another soil and water testing kit with us. It is a briefcase type where you can check the dissolved oxygen, water and soil. This tells you sodium, nitrogen, potassium and 3 parameters. It tells you, and it has a data logger also. This is a probe, power supply, the built-in power supply. The probe is attached here, and then power supply is here, and this is for data logging. You can put it on. Please visit the website and check out abron01@gmail.com, and you can subscribe to our channel and see the other videos available on the water and soil analysis kit. Thank you very much.